Gorgeous day. Next to the last day of October, day before Halloween. It's been wet, windy, and rainy, and hail, and etc. For the last week or so. Been staying busy trying to do projects in between the rain that we should have done all summer and didn't. But thought I'd get out today and enjoy the day while I can. The cockpit of my mighty ride. Looking good. I had to do some replacing of parts. I had to replace this unit, which is the controller, and then to take this whole assembly here apart, which is a pain in the ass. This is the throttle. These are the hard part to get off and on. This one's got a rip in it from crashing one day. But those aren't the original grips. Those are off my old bike. But I had to replace the brake lever because there's a sensor in here that cuts the motor off when you apply the brakes so that you're not braking against the motor. If that makes sense. Some kind of conflagration of ocean-sitting birds out there. I'm not sure what kind. They're just black dots to me from here. The sun bouncing off the ocean makes it pretty hard to see anything that direction. There's a bunch of them, whatever they are. I think they're birds. Cape Fall weather down there. This is one of my favorite spots. I'm only maybe 3/4 of them, not even that, half a mile from my house probably. Takes me about a mile to get here because I gotta go up that road to 101 and up that way on my bike. If I was to take the beach, it's a lot closer, but haven't been feeling so hot lately, so I ain't been walking so much, which as usual leads to me not feeling so hot in other ways. Whatever. My guts have been fucking up really bad. I've had diverticulitis, prostatitis, fucking, yeah. The plumbing's all crusty. All backed up. Angry. Got this doobie here. So I spent like an hour last night, cleaned the goo on all three of my grinders, and ran some, I don't know what to call it, Duff, Tray Garf. I'm really careful not to get roaches on my rolling tray, so it's all clean weed, but I'll get down to little bits and pieces. I'll scrape it off and throw it in a jar. Start a new variety or whatever. So I ran that through the Keith box, come up with, about a gram. I think that's about a gram of mostly Keith hash pieces. think what I'm trying to say is I got me one dank ass fucking joint right here. And you can see I got this bike in April. You see the rust already? Now, I took navel jelly and wire brush to that 6 weeks ago. See, even up on the crank in here, which I haven't cleaned. That's where I crashed, scraped the paint off the derailleur. Just every little thing here. Top of the duck's head where the propeller used to be. Anything that's not stainless just fucking rusts in a matter of days, it seems like. I'm always joking you could set a pile of rust out here and it would rust. Anyway, just thought I'd show you what I was up to today. I haven't really been posting videos much lately. There's quite the interesting pile of driftwood up here. Somebody asked me, who the hell drug all this up here? Nobody drug it up here. The ocean put it up here. Yeah, the ocean comes up here from time to time. And you can see it's probably 10 foot down right here. Close to it. But I've been down on the cliffside over here and seen the waves hitting, splashing way up over into there. Gorgeous day. I'm going to take a couple still shots and then turn my tunes back on. See you, folks.